Good evening guys and welcome back to my channel. It's Mrs. TG here, and tonight I'm going to be fitting a Spigen GLAStR EZ FIT case to my new iPhone 14 Pro Max. Right, so it's a 2-pack we've got here, and as it said, it's meant to be easy fit, so let's hope it is. Right, so let's get on and get this out of the box and see what we've got. Right, so we've got the instruction manual there telling you how to remove bubbles, squeegee, your 2 screen protectors because it is a 2-pack as mentioned before, and lens and screen wipes, 2 of them obviously, drying cloth, and 2 dust removal stickers. Right, so step number 1 is going to be taking the cleaning wipe out, and we'll give the screen a good old wipe over to make sure there's no dirt or grime stuck to it before we put this on. Get off all that grime off the screen because my partner's had his fingers all over it. We want to make sure that this is mint, so we don't want no bubbles or dust spots or anything. Use your drying cloth to give it a dry off. Make sure there's no wet patches left on there. And then we got our dust removal stickers. I just normally run it across the top there to grab anything loose that could potentially have been on the top. Right, so grab hold of the back of it there. So you've got your sticker there where it says back. Obviously it says to remove it. So pull that down and remove it off. And then place it on top of the phone, I'm guessing. Just line it up. It'll just go on automatically on itself. And we've got to rub these arrows up and down a couple of times firmly. And then as you can see on there, it says press and slide, then wait 30 seconds. Right, so moving on, 30 seconds later, we've now got to peel this sticky tab here. It says there, look, remove from here. That's pretty tough. Oh. There we go. That's that one off. And then take that off. As you can see, we have got a bubble going on there in the middle. So that just easily comes off. And we've also got a tab here. Well, we've got 2 up the top there and 2 down the bottom there. I don't know how well that's coming across on camera there. You can just about see it. So we peel that just like that. Oh, I say about the air bubble, it's underneath the film. And there we go. We have got a perfectly fitted screen protector. Now it does say to use the squeegee to get any bubbles out, but I don't think saying that. I think there might be a tiny little one up the top there. And I think I was seeing things. I don't think there is one on there. But you have got the squeegee there if you do need it. Simply push it out like that. If you do have any bubbles, these squeegees do normally get them out as long as there's no dust underneath there. I'm just demonstrating this purely for you now because obviously I haven't got no bubbles. I thought that was a bubble, but that's actually the lens for the camera. But I can't believe how easy that has gone on. I thought I was going to have bubbles or some kind of dust, but you can see that is seamless the way that's gone on like that. In all fairness, it says it's easy fit. That is perfect. I am really happy with that. Well, from me, that is a big thumbs up and well worth the money. Right, so I'm going to put a link in the description. I'd be grateful if you could use it because it's my partner's affiliate link. If you like what you see, give me a thumbs up. And if you haven't subscribed, please subscribe. Be much appreciated. Thanks for your time and watching my video tonight. Catch you again on the next one. Bye for now.